How to change language on 1688 application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change language on 1688 application. So first let me just tell you that you directly cannot change the language on your 1688 application, and if you want a quick translation you can just use Google Translate. Just take the particular screenshot of the particular page which you want to translate and just head back to your Google Translate application, and now simply tap on this camera icon over here at the bottom right corner, and now simply select the gallery option to choose your screenshot of the page which you just took. So as you can see I've selected. Now just tap on this language option. So it's currently on Chinese traditional. You can just tap on this English button over here and it should successfully convert your language to or translate your language to the particular language of your choice, which is English in my case. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.